probably been a while since you guys have seen my beauty room up here, since I put this up here. But this is becoming kind of like my small business slash like craft room. I have done so much up here, but it is currently trash. So I wanted to clean it up and redo it. But this corner is pretty much good over here. I have this fake plant that I would like to hang up, but this like organizer is pretty much good. This drawer organizer is pretty much good. To the right, I have tons of stuff I'm getting rid of. All of my wedding things. I have some of my old things from my beauty room that I don't want anymore, like this rug and that little poof. So I'm trying to sell some things, get rid of this. Eventually, I would love to have like a little love seat with like a coffee table and like a different rug. This rug just sheds horribly and I just can't stand it. So I'm selling this one. But I thought just like a little like sit down, like office-y type furniture. But if you come around, my desk is a mess. So this is my get ready station back there with like hair and makeup. This is my clothes and a mirror and whatnot. But when you come to this side, it is a disaster. So I have some new machinery. So I do have a new mug press for tumblers for like sublimation. And then I have a cup turner. I have my school stuff, which I'm probably going to put somewhere else. I bought a new desk to extend this out to be able to have more things up here, up on a desk. So like all my machinery and my printer, Cricut laptop, like everything to be able to be kind of like spread out. I bought an L-shaped desk and then like a longer piece to put here. But I think it's gonna look really good. I'm just kind of organizing and cleaning currently to get this to look a little better. I'm going to get rid of this brown tabletop and combine the drawers together and probably put my printer on top and then move it over, but I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Alright friends, let's tackle this hot mess express. I'm gonna start by just kind of decluttering and getting rid of some stuff. I always do this when I start to do a new project or clean a room. I just start by like decluttering and taking like little bits at a time and just going through it and just like figuring out what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of, how I can organize it better. Can something go in a basket? Can something go in like a little trinket tray? Like just how can I make this look better? And I just did this for the whole thing. So this bottom drawer that I'm tackling right now is all of my like life importance, if that makes sense. So it's just like, I don't know, my diplomas, like car insurance, like all the like filed important things. So I put that in like a big tote and organize it that way, and then took out all of my stuff for my tools and like equipment for like cameras and cords and all that things, and I started cleaning out drawers and just like again going through things, figure out like what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of. I got rid of oh my gosh, I cannot speak. I got rid of tons of office supplies, so like post-it notes, pens. Like I had so much stuff from nursing school that accumulated over time, and I feel so overwhelmed, so I ended up throwing those out. Oh my god, I just realized you guys can see the pile of pregnancy tests in the background of the floor. I'm no shame. I'm not hiding nothing. My husband and I have been trying to get pregnant for the past 6 months. It's been unsuccessful. I actually think I had a miscarriage, and which things are not going as smooth as we thought it would. That's a whole nother story in itself. I'm not going to get into that right now. Just thought I'd explain why there's a pile of pregnancy tests in the background. I just thought about complaining to the company because they all came out falsely positive. So I was very, very heartbroken and upset by those. So, but yeah, I ended up just throwing them away, just moving on, and went on to the next chapter of our lives. Anywho, as far as cleaning and organizing all this stuff, I'm using a label maker to put on the drawers and know where like things are and just, you know, be a little more organized. So as you guys can see me now doing, I am decluttering all the cords and moving things out of the way. I sold this tabletop on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm just clearing it all off so I can get it ready for her to pick up. And then yeah, that's about it. I just started moving things around, cleaning, and just getting things ready to put in all the new stuff and setting up my new table, or not my table, but my new desk, and just pushing the drawers to the side,
vacuuming with our new vacuum, which I freaking love because you can detach and it doesn't have a cord or anything, and just so many like cool things you can do with it. If you've never had a Dyson, I highly recommend.
What is up? So I wanted to share a few things that I picked up for my craft room. As you guys have seen, I've been cleaning and organizing and decorating and doing all the things. So I picked up a couple like small business like craft must-haves from Amazon and a few other places. So if you guys are interested in any of these items, I will have them linked down below in my Amazon store. First up, I got this cup holder. So let me explain. This is for you crafters who are doing tumblers and or filming for like TikToks and stuff. It's really handy. I have wanted one for a while now and just never got one, but it does have a ruler on both sides. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but it has lines, so you can help yourself by measuring things up, making sure things are even, excuse me, but it lays flat on your desk or on a surface, and you can have your tumblers on here. Just makes things a lot easier when applying different things or whatever. But you can have big cups, little cups, like I needed this a long time ago. Did get this tape and tape dispenser. This is actually heat resistant tape. I'm going to be starting doing sublimation. I have a hard time with that word. But I got a new mug press, and I'm really excited to start doing some cool designs on cups and shirts and all that stuff. I just have only had a Cricut for a while. And then my new desk is a light color, so it's like a light beigey gray color, and then I'll use this to craft on it to protect the surface. So any type of like cutting or resin use or glitter or whatever I'm gonna use on here. Yeah, and then I also got these silicone mats. These are for also the same thing. It has two in here. I might use one for like crafting with materials and glitter and whatnot to protect, again, my desk. And then I might use one for sublimation. When the mug comes out really hot, I'll put it on here. This is like a heat silicone thing, like something you put your hair tools on basically, but for your mugs. So I got this to also protect my desk. I also picked up these little clips. I don't know if you guys have seen those before, but they're like everywhere on social media, on TikTok and wherever. But they're to put my freaking cords up on my desk because I'm so tired of having to climb under my desk to grab cords and cords falling. Excuse me. And all of those things. So I'm just excited to have my cords be pulled up and in the same spot and easy access all the time. So excited. I am actually hopping on the bandwagon and doing sublimation, or not sublimation, snow globe tumblers. So I picked up some vegetable glycerin. This is the like liquid portion that you mix with water and glitter into cups where you can like shake them, and there's like glitter falling all around. And if I can find an example somewhere, I'll post it so you guys know what I'm talking about. But basically I'm going to be starting to do those. They're called snow globe tumblers, and they have a hole at the bottom where you can put the glitter and like the liquid and stuff into. So to seal those, I got these Gorilla like adhesive dots that you can just put a little circle on top of the hole, and then you can seal it with UV resin. So I picked those up to do my tumblers. And then I did get some sublimation paper to be able to print off my designs when my printer gets here. I got some laminating sheets for stickers. I want to be able to make stickers, especially to put on tumblers and stuff. And then this is a standard white matte sticker paper, and it actually has a lot in here. There's 100 sheets, and it was pretty cheap, I feel like. But I did pick up those three just to be able to print more things. These are the heat resistant gloves. I just got black, but these are for when I pull out my mugs from the heat press. Protect my hands because it's gonna be hot. But again, this is the top from my old desk, and I'm going to be getting rid of that, so I put it to the side. I'm going to sell it. These little guys, this is the top coat for some of my tumblers, like my Starbucks cups, and then this is for the glycerin that I bought to be able to mix with water and put into those snow globe tumblers. I would like to get like a little floating shelf or a couple of them to put right here, and then I could just kind of store them up there if I wanted to, or next to my cup turner, which is over here. but my desk is going to be right here, so maybe I could just put like a little floating shelf right there or something. I don't know. I already had holes in the wall with nails in them from something else, and instead of taking them out and filling the holes and doing all that stuff, I decided to keep them and to use my space right here to store my Cricut mats, and my Cricut mats are so disgusting. They need cleaned so bad. This side is still pretty trashed. I had to remove the wall here and mud it and like fix it and stuff, because I had a whiteboard right here when I would study for boards and stuff for NCLEX and for nursing school, and the back of the whiteboard ended up having mold on it, like really, really bad mold. Like it rained and it got wet in here somehow. I don't even know. But the back of this board was disgustingly like filled with mold, so I had to like literally cut out the wall and put a new piece in. So I plan on repainting in here at some point, and then this is all leftover stuff from like my wedding and stuff, so it's so crammed up here right now, but my goal is to just get rid of all this stuff and sell it. I want to get a love seat in here, a rug, and like a little coffee table, and just like into like an office. Is that gonna look amazing or what? So yes, it's the next day. I'm still in my scrubs, just got off work not that long ago, stopped at Target to grab a couple things, and I wanted to share them with you guys. I ended up getting this little like notepad. It did not come with this pen, however this pen is from Target. I bought this a long time ago, but it had that little like pen slot, which I thought was cute, and then when you like open it up, it's just blank and it has like the date, like the word date on it, and then that's it. It's just blank notebook, and I love this. I think I'm going to use this for orders on crafts, so like my Etsy shop and like other random orders. There is that planner. Super cute. Okay, and then I also had picked up some Gorilla Glue. This is for my badge reels. Found this little $5 vacuum. It is a mini USB vacuum that you can hook into your computer and up any like glitter, dust, whatever. And then I also picked up this little file organizer. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. To share the sublimation tumblers that I picked up. I bought these from Etsy. I got the clear glass ones and I got the frosted ones. I have some cute ideas that I really, really, really want to try. And then I also still have coming, it's not here yet, I have sublimation glasses that look just like these, except they are snow globe tumblers. So that's the one that has the hole in the bottom that you can put glitter and the glycerin and water into, and that way you can like shake it up, do whatever, and it's like full of glitter and super cute.
So this is the new desk that I picked up from Amazon, and you guys, I am so pleased. It actually was a struggle to put it together. Some pieces were like not lining up and I was getting frustrated, but overall, like once I figured it out and got it all together, I was like, oh my god, I'm so happy. This is great. This looks amazing. Again, it's linked down in my description in my Amazon store under furniture if you guys are interested, but highly recommend. It's so sleek and girly and just, it's perfect for what I needed it for, and it just looked really, really good. You guys don't see it here, but I also picked up a longer piece, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, to go on the other side of the wall, but that is pretty much it.
Alright, so here is what we are looking like so far. The only thing I'm missing is my new printer, the S-Pen printer, and then my other desk that's going to go right here. Absolutely love the way this is turning out. I think the desk layout is going to be perfect. I have plenty of space, and I'm so excited to use this to work versus just that one little slab of a desk. So I have a dedicated space solely to my Cricut and crafts. I have more room to film myself, so this is a tripod that I can do like overhead filming right here, or you know, anywhere really, but and then that little stand with the planners on it is super cute. That little sign I put up, it says work hard so you can shop harder, and then I put my little pens here. It just looks so good. So I am currently in the midst of editing this video that you guys are currently watching, and realized that I never showed the rest of the progress of the craft room. So let me back up here, but the other side of the desk finally came, and I set it up and got it all ready to go. But here's like a little mini tour So you guys already saw this portion here, and then if you come to the side, I just added a additional desk. I've already started lots of badge reels and cups and tumblers. I did film myself making these tumblers and starting crafts that I will show on the next YouTube video, so make sure you guys watch the next one if you guys want to see how I started sublimating and doing those crafts. But this is my new printer. This is the Espen EcoTank. This is what I use for sublimation. It works freaking phenomenally. Like, I've had no problems. It actually holds quite a bit of ink and lasts for a long time. This is my normal printer underneath. I don't use this one as much, but I just put this one on top. This is just leftover stuff I have out that I was crafting with. It really doesn't like belong up here. I just, oops, haven't put it away yet. So I was making badge reels and cups, so I just kind of like left it there. But then that is pretty much it. My mats that you guys already saw, and then my Cricut and my mug breasts. So I haven't finished with little details with hanging like that plant or the little shelf or anything else, but I got freaking ink on my carpet and I don't know how to get it out. I tried to shampoo it out and it will not come out. My mom said to try OxyClean. If you guys have any ideas, comment below, but I officially trashed my carpet. So, but it looks very, very, very good in here. I'm so happy with how the desk turned out, and I'm just loving it. You guys can see my ring light over here, but I'm going to kind of do like a little circle around. And then you guys already saw that spot. And then I've sold so much crap. Like, so much crap. This is all I have left. I have a little tiny pile of wedding stuff and then some extra pillows I don't want. And that's all I have left. So, working on things slowly. I'd love to get this wall painted and get some furniture and other things in here to where friends or family or my husband can sit up here and hang out while I craft or do things. So, but yeah, I'm loving the way it looks.